Donald Jr. His dad.
When you went into Walter Reed, what were the two most prominent symptoms that you had?
I think didn't feel strong, didn't feel really strong. I didn't have a problem with breathing, which a lot of people seem to have. I had none of that, but I didn't feel very strong. I didn't feel very vital.
I left the bedside. The president was doing well, with only mild symptoms, and his oxygen was in the high 90s. Late Friday morning, when I returned to the bedside, the president had a high fever, and his oxygen saturation was transiently dipping below 94%. Given these two developments, I was concerned for possible rapid progression of the illness. I recommended the president we try some supplemental oxygen, see how he'd respond.
Anybody's oxygen levels fall 94% for an injury or illness, you're in big doo-doo. You need oxygen. They've taught millions of people deny rescue breathing, which is the same as giving oxygen, and pound on a beating heart. And these sheeple are doing it, killing their own children under orders. Surgeon General, FDA, police departments, different health districts. Read the comment box, think.